Yo, guys, May was a stacked month in terms of stuff that I picked up, sneakers, clothing, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But we're gonna focus on the clothing and the sneakers in today's video, recapping everything that we picked up in the month of May. And I think that I have everything. It's a couple other things that I think that will be here probably, you know what I'm saying, after May that I picked up in May. So we're not gonna count that stuff, but everything that did come in so far this month, we're gonna recap and talk about it. And in today's video, you guys can let me know down below in the comment section what sneakers you picked up, what clothing pieces you picked up, where you've been shopping at. Super interested in knowing. It might help somebody else that's watching today's video as well. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank y'all so much for rocking out with your boy DaVintage again. Like I said in like 2-3 videos ago, I'm going to be recapping everything for each month of what I've picked up, sneakers, clothing, and all types of good stuff. Hopefully sooner than later I can start showing y'all different things I get for the channel, like in terms of like, you know, electronics, tech, and stuff like that. So I will be, you know, showing you guys everything that I have purchased, not reviews of everything, just stuff that I have picked up, if that makes sense. So if you guys are new here to the channel, you're already rocking out with the vibes, and if you've already been here, you just ain't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Some more laid back video today, nothing too crazy, just gonna walk through everything that I picked up and bring you guys along this journey. All right, so for the first thing that I did pick up this month was these Vans right here. The pearlized Vans is something that's been definitely popping as of recently. Got a whole bunch of colorways that has came out, like a tan pair, maroon pair, and then they had these navy blue guys right here. Something that I was super interested in trying to get a fit out of, see what I can do with them. You know what I'm saying? I had some Revenge Storm encounter joints a while back. I said, you know what? I don't have those anymore. Let me try to get a pair of Vans in the rotation to see what we can do. So I went ahead and snagged these guys, and the Vans is popping, bro. Vans is popping this year. Everybody want a pair of Vans, and yeah, your boy DaVintage had to join the party and grab these pearlized navy blue joints. And before we get any further in today's video, you already know something that's super high on a lot of people's list in terms of sneaker of the year, and that is the Air Jordan 4 brick after bricks. You know, we got the brick by bricks that's right here, and now this year we got the brick after bricks. Now I literally got these the day before they released, which was last week, and I was super interested in seeing them in hand, kind of seeing if the pictures and all the hype matched the anticipation. It definitely did. Quality's nice, the sneaker's nice, and I'm already knowing I'm going to be wearing these a lot, man. So second pickup of the month, not in order at all, but we do have the brick after bricks. Y'all let me know if in the comment section if you were able to snag a pair for retail. You had to pay resale. Me personally, I pay resale, so it is what it is. But let me know how y'all did on the brick after brick, not just the version for Air Jordan 4s. And before we get to the rest of the sneakers, I want to show y'all some of the clothing pieces, or I guess you would say anything that I put on my body besides, you know, sneakers. Show y'all what I picked up. I did grab some Supreme socks right here. You've probably seen them on my own feet with the Air Jordan 4 Toros, which is not a part of the video because I had these back in like March. I had these for a while, but I did throw on the Supreme socks that I picked up from eBay on both of those on feet for the Toro 4s and the brick after bricks. And then also over on the TikTok shop, bro. Over on the TikTok shop, I want to see what all kind of socks they had on there that I can rock with some of the shorts that I do have this summer. And I found these, bro. Thought this was pretty cool. Some vintage white socks. Nothing too crazy, nothing like fancy or anything like that. But I definitely, boy, I'm ashy, boy. Man, why you ain't tell me I was ashy? But yeah, I did want to get some white socks to throw on with the Vans and a couple other pair of sneakers that I was thinking about rocking this summer, because definitely want to rock more shorts. So I did pick these white vintage socks up from the TikTok shop. Next, we did grab this shirt from Double Crazy. So I've been seeing the ad all over Instagram. I said, bro, I need to just go ahead and pull the trigger. I've been eyeing it for a while, and I finally did. We have the Double Crazy tee right here with Jesus Cross on the front of it hanging. Really like this one. It got the distressed vibe at the bottom of the shirt right here, as you can see. And it also has a little bit of distress feeling over the entire shirt right here. I don't know if y'all can kind of pick that up, but the material is very, very nice. Kind of give you that like knitted wool type vibe. And I'm really liking how that distress feel is gonna look when I am rocking this tee right here. So this is from Double Crazy. I'm trying to put all the links and IDs down in the description box, but you guys can see, man, this is really, really nice. And I already got a fit plan for these. I'm gonna be rocking those Air Jordan 1 Virgils, or I might pull out the Union LAs. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna throw something together with this one, but this shirt is definitely getting rocked ASAP Rocky. And then next, I did pick up this hat from a brand called Old Testament. I think that's what it's called, but the hat was super dope, bro. I seen the ad over on Instagram, and I end up paying, like, I think this is like 45 or 50 bucks, probably even more. I wouldn't have mind paying it, but you do have King Solomon in this like studded material with the bezels and the diamonds all around it going across the front of the hat. You guys can see you got King Solomon going all the way around the hat, and on the back you have 23rd. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that says on the back, but you have that, and you have Proverbs 4 and 7 on the underbrim. So I really like this one. You even got some cool knitting on the, I guess you would say, like the skull cap of, or the skull portion of the hat right here. So super clean, super nice. This is definitely getting rocked. This getting rocked real soon, you feel me? I really like this one. And yeah, man, I don't know what really gravitated me towards copping it besides the bezels and the, you know, the jewels all the way around the hat right here. So next, I don't even know what this is, bro. Some of this stuff I literally have had since the beginning of the month. And I say, you know what, I'm gonna save it for the end of the month to do this video, and we gonna see what we have. So this is from Sume, or Soon. You guys can see by the bag. I don't know what the name of the brand is. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know exactly what this is. It's a shirt that I picked up. I think it's a shirt that I picked up. Hold on, I think I got bezels falling off, man. The jewels is falling off the shirt. That's crazy. But you guys can see, man, check it out. We have the Sume tee right here in the white and black colorway, and I might rock the off-whites with these, or the versions. I don't know, bro. And you have on the side, you got 78 on the side right there, and then on the other sleeve you have 19. So you got some cool stuff on the sleeves, and on the front, that's what, you know, put the ice on the cake, the Sumi up front with the different color, you know, jewels and studs on the front where it says Sume. Really, really nice quality, really, really thick. I hope I ain't gonna be sweating when I'm rocking this joint, but I will be rocking this one very, very soon. Or I actually might put this up in the vault until like closer to, you know, winter fall time frame, because they got some nice weight to this shirt right here. All right, next is a brand that the homie the Retro Wiz Kid put me on to, and I think it's called Bogen Tan, or Bogen, how do you say this? Bogen Tan. I hope I'm saying that right, but I did pick up 2 tees from them. Go ahead and check it out. We did get the, what's this technically called? They got the name on it, but this one has the 3 different Michael's hands on there. You got Michael Jackson's glove up top, you have Mike Tyson's glove, and you have Michael Jordan with the 6 rings on the bottom. So, you know, had to get this one. I feel like I've seen this so many times. I said, bro, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna rock it. Never did it, but the homie was like, bro, you gotta go check out Bogen Tan, and I went ahead and did it, and I snagged this tee right here. So super clean in my opinion, and again, another shirt that's gonna get rocked ASAP, man. And then for the other shirt, literally got these for one sneaker in particular, and it is the Brick After Bricks, and we got that Jeezy tee right here. If you don't know, he did like a collab with Nigel Sylvester with the Brick After Bricks, so they threw him on the front, and on the back you have Bike Air on the bottom, and you have Brick After Bricks. So it literally goes perfect with the sneakers. Me personally, I'm not like a huge dressy type person. Like, I don't like matching tops with bottoms with sneakers, but for this one, I made an exception. You know what I'm saying? They got Jeezy on the front, and yeah, we just go ahead and rock this for one time. For the one time, ain't nobody gonna know, man. Ain't nobody gonna know. This is literally the shirt for the sneaker. So y'all see it. Y'all see, man, this joint fire. And then I did pick up a couple of pairs of jeans and a shirt from Minimal. Minimal has been a brand I've been rocking out with for a while. I used to do a lot of collaborations with them in the past. That has ceased to exist as of lately, but it's all good. But I did pick up these distressed black denims. Nothing too crazy, just some regular black wash denim. Got a size 34 in these. Usually go true to size. And on the bottom, you got that flared type of pant leg, which I can rock with a whole bunch of sneakers, foams, 1s, 4s, whatever it is gonna go. And yeah, this is the first pair of denim, and I actually got like a whole bunch other denim from Minimal a while back, but I just wasn't doing this type of video format where I was showing y'all what I was copping. But you guys can see the black washed out denim flares from Minimal.la. And then here goes the shirt that I was talking about. I don't even know why I got this, because I don't see myself wearing it. It's gonna probably be a shirt that collect dust for a while until I give it away. But I did pick up this button down. I don't know what I'm rocking with, bro. Don't know what I'm rocking with. Might just rock this on like a beach or something open. Don't know. But I think I might got it on sale or something. I thought it was pretty cool, so I snagged it. And I don't know what I'm rocking this with, but your boy Da Vintage then copped it. And then here goes the last pair of jeans and denim from Minimal. This is the kick flare denims and like that nice washed blue in that western blue colorway. You guys can see same type of vibe as the black washed denim with the kick flare at the bottom, with a little bit of distressed vibes at the bottom. And yeah, this is gonna go with a lot of outfits. And I was running real low on the denims. I was wearing the same ones over and over, so I said, bro, I gotta get some new ones. And we went ahead and upgrade. They got the kick flare joints just at the Minimal.la. And then the next sneaker that I did pick up this month was the Band Air Jordan 1 Low, super clean colorway. If I see some pairs in a mall that I hit up soon for sale, I'm definitely going to be getting a double up, because if y'all don't know, I literally only wear Jordan 1 Lows to the gym. I even try to make myself wear other sneakers to the gym, and I just can't do it. Like, Jordan 1 Lows just fit so comfortably for me throughout my training sessions. And yeah, these are going to rock to the gym ASAP Rocky. So that means I need another pair of these guys. But let me know in the comment section, you grabbed a pair. The hype was like super high for the Band 1 Lows. The next thing you know, the hype totally dipped off, which I'm cool with. But I need another pair, because these are about to get thrown into the gym sneaker rotation. Oh, and I'm tripping, bro. I gotta add this into the video. Literally forgot. I just picked up a pair of Air Jordan 5 white metallics from the homie Jumperman Chris. This was a must. They released a while back, and I've been telling you guys I'm going to get them eventually. And I got them for a really nice price, so I had to pull the trigger. So this is like, I guess you say the fourth sneaker that I done picked up. And then look, hold on, man, I'm tripping. I done forgot about the Air Jordan 12 Bloodline. So 2 sneakers I forgot to add into the video. We'll add it in there. So my apologies if I had to like kind of jump, skip, edit these joints in there. But 2 other sneakers that I also picked up the month of May, the white metallic Air Jordan 5s and the Bloodline 12s. I really like both of these. 2 major sleepers, like 2 major sleepers that I felt were worthy enough to add to the collection. And I got these for a steal. I had to pay a little pretty penny for these, but 2 major sleepers, and I thought they were worthy to be added to the sneaker collection, man. And then last but definitely not least, a sneaker that I had in the collection prior. We just did an earlier review. If y'all want to see your own feature, you guys let me know. But that is the all red October, aka Gym Reds, whatever you want to call them, the Foamposite Pros. Must in the collection. Regret selling them, and I'm so happy that they did come back out. So shouts out to Nike for bringing these joints back out for your boy Da Vintage. And if you will be snagging this weekend, please let me know. But it seems like foams have just all been sitting. Literally walk into any store that sells foams, it's every foam that has released within the last 6-7 months. So if you want to wait on it, maybe catch a sale, I highly recommend you guys to do that. If I wasn't doing sneaker YouTube, I definitely would wait on these to go on sale. But hey, sometimes that FOMO be kicking in. I really want to add these back into the collection. But that pretty much wraps up everything that I have picked up, minus the Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravos, because I had them for a while. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be doing this every single month, so I hopefully see, you know, some good engagement in the comment section. You guys can let me know what you've been snagging, what you've been picking up, what you've been spending your bread on. I know I'm not the only one out here spending bread on clothes and sneakers. So we're here to talk about, so we're here to do. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys will run them likes up for your boy Da Vintage. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.